Today I'm going to take you through the payroll processing. So once you've already added your payroll settings, if need be, your allowances and your benefits as a settings, and attach them to the different employees, then you'll be able to run and process your payroll. So on the left-hand side, you'll just navigate yourself all the way to the payroll processing module. Once you click on the payroll processing module, this is what you'll be able to see, the payroll management screen. You'll turn all the way to your right-hand side and click process payroll. It will load a pop-up with the process payroll for the types of employees. So you can see here we have one employee and we can run the process payroll for that one employee for the period of July. And it will process the individual's payroll run. And once it's done, it will give you the line items for that employee. On this line item, you can see their basic pay, the allowance that we attached for him, the gross pay, the taxable income, the deductions, the reliefs, and things like that. But this payroll process is in draft stage. So we need to approve this payroll run before we can even maybe download a bank report. So we would select all the payroll records and then click approve. However, once you click approve, you can't go back. So you have to make sure the calculations are correct. If there's any calculations that are off or wrong, then you can check either on the allowances or deductions or benefits. Maybe there's a setting that is picking the wrong calculation. Then once you've fixed those calculations, you can click recalculate and it will process. Once it's done processing, then the recalculation will show. After recalculating, then you can either select this one payroll to run for this individual employee, or if you had multiple employees directly on the system, then you'd be able to select all of them to approve. So let's approve this payroll run. Now I'm about to approve the payroll run. You can see the screen that has popped up. Then what happens next? You can approve this record. Once it's approved, then you can see the status has changed. And now I can be able to view the payslip for this particular payroll run using the eye icon over there. I can see the payslip. I can choose to download the bank report. Then I can also choose to email the payslips directly to the employee, attached with the email that you've set up on the employee profile. And with that, the email that gets sent out is an encrypted email with the employee's ID as the password. All right, that's how you process payroll. Thank you for your time.